Have you read the articles or seen the TikToks with titles like How to Start a 2K Side Hustle Today? I saw one on Forbes the other morning, and while I love that passive income side hustles are going mainstream, I have a bit of a bone to pick with them. These articles keep skipping the one thing that makes or breaks your success. Because while they make it sound so easy, just share a link, create a digital product, start a membership. None of the ideas in this article address the part that trips most people up. And that's why these types of side hustles don't actually work for most people. I've tried all but one of the ideas in this Forbes article over the past 8 years, and I've learned the hard way exactly why they fall apart. So here's the dream. You work a full-time job, but you want a little more freedom, more income, more you time. So you search for ways to earn an extra $2,000 a month. And boom, you land on a listicle that gives you 7 passive income ideas. Now, don't get me wrong, these ideas are valid. In fact, like I said, I've tried most of them myself. But here's where it falls apart. The article skips over the part where you actually have to find customers. That's why so many people get stuck. Not because the ideas are bad, but because no one ever taught them how to become more visible, to build trust and attract customers. And if you're already working, raising a family, or juggling a dozen different responsibilities, good luck figuring it all out on your own. That's why I love the approach we use in Legacy Builders. It's built around a 2-hour workday, not 2 hours of staring at a to-do list, but 2 hours focused on income-generating activities, using social media to build up your brand, connect with the right people, and grow an email list. You can split those hours into pockets of time, before work, on your lunch break, after the kids go to bed. And yes, it is a time management skill. But more than that, it's about shifting your mindset, shifting it to let go of perfectionism, to let go of overthinking, and to let go of the busy work that doesn't actually move the needle towards success. Now let's talk about the 7 side hustle ideas in this Forbes article. And we'll talk about why they sound great, but may leave you spinning your wheels in frustration. The first one, sell digital products. The idea, create an ebook, a template, or a resource once, and then sell it over and over and over again. Sounds amazing, until you have to sit down to create it. And even if you do finish it, then what? How do you get people to actually buy it? Did you know that you can buy digital products that come with resale rights? It's a great shortcut when you're getting started. And that's one of the things I love about Legacy Builders. We're given the master resale rights to 4 different digital courses, so you can start promoting them immediately. But again, it's not the product that's the problem. The problem is actually knowing and feeling comfortable promoting it. So Legacy Builders focuses on teaching you how to attract people who actually want and need what you're offering. So you're not cold messaging strangers or hitting up your friends and family to give you an extra $2,000 a month. You're learning how to build an online presence so that the right people find you. The second idea is to start affiliate marketing. I think this is one of the most misunderstood income streams out there. People think affiliate marketing is just sign up, post a link, and collect commissions. But without an audience, that link is just floating in space. I've technically been an affiliate marketer for about 8 years. Want to know how much I've made? $0. It's because I didn't have an audience. I had a super small email list and I had no visibility. Legacy Builders teaches a different approach to affiliate marketing, which typically pays 25 to 50% commission on those referrals. So instead of pushing those affiliate links directly in your content, you focus your time and attention on promoting one primary product or service, and you use a lead magnet to build your email list. So your email list grows because of the content you share on social media. And then once people are on your list, then affiliate marketing becomes so much easier. It's through email that you'll share additional products or services that may help people achieve their goals. And because they already know, like, and trust you, they're more likely to check it out. That's a huge difference. The third idea is to rent out what you already own. Think Airbnb. Think if you have a garage full of power tools. I'm not directly addressing this idea in this video because I've never done it. But I would think you'd run into the same visibility problem, wouldn't you? I don't know what the answer is. Maybe paying for ads would make this work. The fourth idea is to build a paid membership community. And this one makes me laugh because I actually paid $2,000 for a course on building a membership site. And to be fair, it was a great course. I learned how to create content that would be useful for my members. I learned how to keep members engaged and even how to have a retention plan. And the program creator made it a super fun experience. I think it was a 6 or 8 week live experience with lifetime access to the course materials. You know what it didn't teach me? How to find people who actually want to join. That's what was missing. Legacy Builders focuses on building visibility, trust, and consistency first. And then you can actually learn from your customers what type of community would be helpful to them. So horse first, cart second. The fifth idea is to launch a print-on-demand store. And again, I'm not going to address this one specifically in this video, but ask yourself, who's going to purchase the products you create? 22 years ago, I self-published a book, and you can even purchase it on Amazon. Do you know how many gazillion print-on-demand books can be purchased on Amazon? Yeah, I don't either. But the thing is, if I don't tell people about my books, how will they know they're there? So, here are my books that you can purchase on Amazon. All right, I guess I did talk about that point a little bit, didn't I? The sixth idea is to create an online mini course. Another one that sounds simple. Brain dump your knowledge onto a bunch of Post-it notes, record a few videos, add worksheets, and put it up for sale as a mini course. Because honestly, it really can be that simple. And I've bought more than one course to learn how to do this. But I really didn't need the courses. I have a master's degree in distance learning and adult education. I know instructional design principles. What a master's degree didn't teach me, and neither did those online courses, it didn't teach me how to find the people who would benefit from and enroll in my course. Legacy Builders fills that gap. It teaches how to create something valuable, how to share it effectively, and how to sell it confidently. Because again, promotion is where most people get stuck, and why most of these side hustles won't work for most people. And as a little side note, one thing I totally geek out on with Legacy Builders is taking a step back to see what was done and how it was done. I'm still trying to wrap my brain around how simple but brilliant Michelle O'Neill's system is. And I'll break it down in an upcoming video, so be sure to hit subscribe so you'll know when that video comes out. And the final side hustle idea is to monetize a newsletter or a blog. And rather than repeat myself again about how are you going to find the people who want to pay to read or sponsor you to write a newsletter or blog, I'll remind you that if it were easy, everyone would be doing it and making $2,000 a month. Here's what I know about all of these side hustle ideas. All of these ideas can work, but they don't work if you're not clear on who you're speaking to. They don't work if you're only showing up once a month. They don't work if the people who need you never see you. And that's the skill most people need to build. The ability to communicate their message consistently and visibly online. That's the part these articles and TikToks leave out. Legacy Builders gives you a safe space to learn and practice. You get a ready-made website and 4 digital products to sell. You get 30 pre-written emails that you can customize to reflect your personality and your audience. You'll get ongoing mentoring calls through Zoom, and yes, replays are available. The big thing for me is that I was able to learn how to get started on a shoestring budget. In my past attempts to earn passive income online by selling digital products, creating mini courses and memberships, and even affiliate marketing, I was paying up to $150 a month in various software as a service fees. Michelle teaches us how to do everything for free. Another thing I love is that while Michelle talks about earning daily pay and making 6 figures in 6 months, She also recognizes that hustle energy is not what everyone is looking for. In fact, she frequently talks about this one gentleman who he only wants to make $1,000 a month. That's just one sale. And she supports him just as much as she does who are working to become millionaires. For so many years, through all of my attempts, I thought I had a marketing problem. But what I really had was a visibility problem. I didn't feel comfortable sharing what I knew. I was downright awkward. I still am at times. And I didn't want to be judged. And I wasn't sure that I had anything worth saying. The Legacy Builders program helped me reframe all of that. It's not about becoming a loud, in-your-face salesperson. It's about learning how to share what you know and love in a way that connects with people. Legacy Builders is about discovering your voice and silencing your inner critic. It's about letting go of all of the rules that kept you small and invisible. It's not a magic pill by any means, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's an internship-style learning environment where you get to practice without pressure, promote digital products without second-guessing yourself, and grow your audience with skills that stick. No fluff, no hype. It's the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. So yeah, I've got no beef with the idea of building a $2,000 a month side hustle. It is definitely doable. I do have a problem with people being sold the dream without the tools to make it a reality. If you've started and stopped a side hustle more times than you can count, maybe what you need isn't another side hustle idea. Maybe what you need is a better place to put your focus for the side hustle idea that you most desire. And that's what Legacy Builders gave me. And if you're thinking, oh Donna, I've already tried programs like this, I get it, because I had too. But Legacy Builders isn't just more information. It's like a social media marketing internship. You're not just watching videos, you're actually doing the work. Work you can't skip if you want to see results, because implementation is everything. It's designed to help you apply what you're learning and start building momentum from day one. So if you're ready to build something real skills, a real audience, a real freedom-based future, type ready in the comments and I'll send you the information to get started. You know, it's amazing to think that I have been a legacy builder for 10 months now. And in this video, I share what I thought about the program after just 2 weeks. Check it out.